Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're gonna learn another important lesson today, that is Fihl present tense. Fihl present tense. We have already completed past tense. So past tense using last letter. The we can find last sound of last letter. How it is ending. Ending sound. I would say ending sound is a better word instead of last letter, because sometimes two letters are there. So based on ending sound, you can predict what is the pronoun hidden inside a fihl. Now in present tense, we call in Arabic fihl mudari. In present tense, we need to look at the starting letter and ending letter. So starting sound and ending sound. Looking at starting sound and ending sound, then only you can understand what is the pronoun hidden inside a fihl. So that's the difference between past tense and present tense fihl. So this also easy. You can see the red color letters. So this is like starting sound and ending sound will give you what is the hidden pronoun inside. So yen suru. If you see, first is ya and then ending is u sound. That means that is huwa. Ya and u sound is huwa. Then ya and ani sound, that is huma. Then ya and una sound, that means whom. So then ya, then it changed to ta. Then ta and u sound become here. Ta and ani sound become huma, for female. And then ya coming back, ya and unna sound. Uh, that is become hunna. Okay. So how to remember is, you can easily remember ya, ta, ya, like that. So we will try to memorize this with the pronoun huwa yansuru, huma yansurani, hum yansuruna, hiya tansuru, huma tansurani, hunna yansurna. Okay, so tell like 5-10 times, you will memorize this. So important is the meaning of it. So how it translated. So huwa yansuru mean he he helps. He helps. So example, huwa nasara mean he helped, past tense. But huwa yansuru, uh, actually who is not there. If you see yansuru means, that means he helps. It is present tense. Huwa yansuru, huma yansurani. They both of them help. Huwa hum yansuruna, that means they help. Present tense. Not they helped. Instead of that, they help. It should be present tense. Here tansuru. So if you see tansuru, that means she help. She helps. Then huma tansurani, they both are female, help. And hunna yansurna, they female, help. Okay. So that is the meaning of these 6 words. Then we are coming to the anta versions. That is anta tansuru, antuma tansurani, antum tansuruna, anti tansurina, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurna. So you can see all are tas. So first huwa, huma, hum, here, huma, hunna versions, you can see ya, then ta, ya. But here all are ta versions. That is huwa tansuru, huma tansurani, hum tansuruna. Here tansurina, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurna. So what's the meaning? Tansuru mean you help. Tansurani mean you both help. Tansuruna mean you all help. Tansurina means she actually, you a feminine help. Uh, Tansurani, you both feminine help. Tansu, Tansurna mean you all feminine help. Then last two is very easy. Ana ansuru, nahnu nansuru. So if you see ansuru, that means I help. If you see nansuru, that means we help. Na, that first letter na and u sound will tell you that is nahnu. And if you see alif, that means that I. So I don't know whether you are noted. You can see all the present tense fields are starting either alif, that is a, or you, ya, or u, sorry, a or na, that is ansuru and ansuru, al a and noon. Then ta and ya. So I used to remember this anti, because anty anti. So all the present tense ism are starting one of these four letters, that is alif, noon, ya, ta and ya. So that's one of easy method to remember. So one last time I will tell, so it will make it easy to memorize. Huwa yansuru, huma yansurani, hum yansuruna, hiya tansuru, huma tansurani, hunna yansurna, anta tansuru, antuma tansurani, antum tansuruna, anti tansurina, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurna, ana ansuru, nahnu nansuru. So tell this 5-10 times. Look at this and tell five like 10 times. Then you will memorize. Uh, Here, little important things to note is that if you see here version Tansuru and Anta version also Tansuru. So this both are looks like same. So in Quran, if you see Tansuru, you don't know it is referring to a female or it is referring to a two, but it is in Quran. It is very clear. There is no confusion at all in this regard. So when we learning Quran, based on the context, we'll understand whether it is referring to you or it is referring to your feminine or female. So that is not something to be confused with, but you need to understand these both are same, look same, but there can be have two meanings, inshallah. Okay, so try to memorize and do the assignment. You will get a better idea of this, and there are some tips I will give you in next session, inshallah, how to remember this.